Shipley. Can you tell everybody how bright this is going to be, how exciting this is tonight?
Well, it's not going to be bright, at least, because it's going to turn
how dark this is going to be.
And red. So, kind of like your dress. It's fine.
Oh, there we go.
There you go.
That's why we're red today, right?
It's perfect. I didn't miss the memo, obviously. But take a look. This is what the lunar eclipse is all about. So, right at 10:15, so just about 5 minutes ago, we just started to get into the very edge of Earth's shadow. And once you get to about 11:29, we'll get into the full shadow, and that's when it's going to start to turn that red color. So you got a little bit of time, and then 12:11, that's when it's going to hit that maximum, and then start to decrease as we get closer to about 1 o'clock, and then everything's done by about 2:10 in the morning. So yeah, hopefully you got the coffee going so you can spend the night with us. But we are looking at clear skies the rest of the way through, so it should be a great night for viewing the supermoon lunar eclipse here tonight. I know we're going to be out here after the show at 11 o'clock watching it. In terms of the rest of the night, though, mostly clear skies. Temperatures cooling down about 70 degrees, so mild conditions continuing here tonight. In terms of tomorrow, we do it again. Looking at 89 degrees in Fort Myers. As you get further inland, that's where we see those lower 90s, LaBelle and Immokalee for you. How about 87 down in Naples? Yeah, warm day, as well as a breezy day. We're going to be seeing those winds out of the west, 10 to 15. What does that westerly wind do? Well, it keeps all the storms off to the east coast, keeping us nice and dry throughout the area. Could see maybe a shower or two try to sneak into maybe Glades, Henry, inland Collier County. So we'll see, but I think most of it will stay away from us. But it will get breezy as you get into the afternoon. Maybe some gusts, 20, 25 miles an hour. So yeah, maybe hold on to the hat, but we'll be mainly focused into the afternoon hours. The other thing we're keeping an eye on is that lower relative humidity as you get in towards the afternoon hours. Further inland, you get 29% LaBelle as well as in Immokalee for you. Below 35, when we start to watch that higher fire danger. Lee County forecast to be very high. DeSoto County in that high range. The rest of us in moderate for you tomorrow, especially with those, what helps us at least is that we've been seeing some rains, but we're starting to get dry out along the coastline again, and we're still looking at very dry conditions, especially in Glades and Henry, where we are seeing the lowest relative humidity for tomorrow. So in terms of the beach, though, forecast, we're looking at 85 degrees there in the Gulf. Not bad there. 82 forecasted for the high in Boca Grande, Captiva, 81, 83 Sanibel. All along the beaches looking pretty great for tomorrow. Even to get out in the boat, seas 2 feet or less, light shop on the inland waterways. It should be a good day to get out there. Now, keep in mind the next several days we are expecting humidity to be on the rise up to that humid range by the end of the week. And with that, well, increasing rain chances. Take a look at Friday, 70%, 60% Saturday, 50% next Sunday. It's going to be a wet weekend. But also, well, you got to keep an eye on the tropics. 17 days away now from a tropical hurricane season. Now, the good news is nothing is expected from the National Hurricane Center over the next 5 days. Doesn't mean that we're not watching things, though. A lot of moisture going on down just south of Cuba in what we call the Central America Gyre. And you may have heard on social media, there's some rumors, rumbles, maybe something going on. Well, let's talk about it real quick here. Looks like both of our forecast models have some kind of low pressure system developing down there. Now, the big question mark, does it go over Central America? Or the scary solution you've probably seen floating around social media, something maybe trying to get in the Gulf. Too early to know. Don't freak out. But, we'll keep you updated. If something happens, we'll let you know. But what we do know is increasing rain chances towards the end of the week. Storms likely into the afternoon, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.